So guys, for the first step, once you're on the Mega website, next to the URL, you're going to click right here. Now you're going to click on Cookies and Site Data. Now you're going to click on Manage on-device site data. Now you're just going to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on Done. And now we're going to click on this again. Now you're going to select Site Settings. And now once you're on this, next to Usage, if it says for you delete right here, you want to delete all your usage data that you have. For me, I don't have anything, but in your case, if you have anything, then you want to delete it. You want to delete your usage data. For the second step, make sure that you have no VPN or proxy enabled. If you do, then you want to disable it. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Click on enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. And now for the last step, you just want to restore your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.